Namaste. Welcome to Weekly Dose of Sanskrit. Today we learn how to introduce yourself in Sanskrit. This is a foundational lesson that will help you in everyday conversation. Let's start with my introduction. Aham Shiksha means I am Shiksha. Now let's learn how to ask someone's name. For a masculine gender, you can say Bhavān Kah. For a feminine gender, you can say Bhavatī ka. Alternatively, you can introduce yourself and then ask the other person's name. For example, Mama nāma Shiksha means my name is Shiksha. For masculine, you can say Bhavatāṃ nāma kim. For feminine, you can say Bhavatyāha nāma kim. Let's look at the sentence Bhavatāṃ nāma kim. This is used in a very respectful context, often when speaking to elder or in formal situations. Bhavatāṃ is a plural respectful form for you. When speaking to someone younger or in an informal setting, you might use Tava or Bhavān. When asking a male for his name, you can say Bhavān Kah. Translated to who are you? Here Bhavān is a respectful term for you, used for males. For females, Bhavatī ka, where Bhavatī is the respectful term for you used for females. When meeting someone, you might want to ask how are you. For a masculine gender, you can say Api Kushalinī Bhavān, means are you well. The answer would be Aham Kushalinī, means yes, I am good. For a feminine gender, you can ask Api Kushalinī Bhavati, means are you well? Try to use these sentences in real life situations, real life conversations. That's all for today's lesson. Keep practicing and soon you will be able to introduce yourself in Sanskrit with ease. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Weekly Dose of Sanskrit. Dhanyavadaha.